Alright, good morning. Welcome to Perito. It's like 6:30 in the morning. It's Thursday. It's about 60 degrees, I would say. Nice sunny morning. It rained all night. Kind of. Not all night, but you know. When it rained last night, it rained. You can see this floor is covered with, wow, everything is covered with tree stuff. I don't know what you call this stuff, but it's from the tree. It's kind of thick. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. It's like snow, this brown stuff. Whatever it is. Alright. So the weather's supposed to be nice today. I didn't look at the weather, so I can't cheat and tell you what it's gonna be. That's right, I cheat. I'm a cheater. I cheat on the weather. I check before, you know, like the meteorologists. They check. They don't just go out there and do their stuff. They just, you know. Anyways, another thing is, did you see the Blackhawks game? Did anybody stay up late enough to see the Blackhawks game? I stayed up. It was like 12:30 when they finished that game. Awesome finish to the game. You know what? I'm not a big hockey fan, but man, that's a fast-paced, hard-hitting game. And it was awesome last night. All right, people. On that note, I gotta finish this walk. Gotta go to work. And peace out, home skillets. Have a great day.